Hey friends, if you wish to add a custom color for Windows Taskbar, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Personalization tab on the list on the left hand side, select Colors in the right pane, and then change the accent color to manual. Pick the color of your choice. Let's say that I'll pick green. Now scroll down, there's an option which says show accent color on start and taskbar. This is the start button and this is the taskbar. Turn it on and you'll notice that the accent color has changed. You can change it to anything else like magenta, yellow, anything that you want to. But it will be a little different from the color mentioned there. It will be a little darker because the bar is not opaque yet. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.